realized I don't have any proper introduction for this video, so I'm filming one right now. Basically, this is a week 0 of my uni life, and I decided to fly in a few days before my first week of school just to settle things down, get the things that I need for my new apartment, which you can see that's different from the background that I have from first year, and also basically to settle in and unpack the things that I have. I'm definitely very excited, and I'm finally a year 2 student. Time has really fly by too quickly, and I think as a first year student I feel very differently, and second year also very differently. First year I was more nervous. I feel like there were more uncertainties and I wasn't sure with the kind of friends that I would have or how the entire uni structure and life in general would be. And then for year 2 I came back with more, how would I say, more peace. I think I was also more it's a different kind of excitement where I know that I have my friends, I kind of can anticipate what kind of uni life is already, and I cannot wait to create more memories with them. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and without further ado, let's roll the clip.
I just started this out of the set.
Oh my god, not bad. Look, I feel like I should have chose mash. Because like the chips become soggy after they put the sauce. Oh, the peas are disgusting.
Yeah.
We're currently at Aldi and we got like this stuff for like the next few days. And our IKEA stuff was about 75.
It was 80, but then we
Got discount.
managed to get £10 off.
Get your student discount, guys. Oh, maybe it's not enough sauce. We need more water and.
See, look, it's like a wrap.
It looks newer
Yeah, and there's so many,
and cleaner.
racks.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
We'd switch it on and we'd cry.
Yeah.
That's food on.
Nice seeing. Are those animals?
Animals.
Like insects.
Oh, those are insects. What the hell?
Oh yeah, they are, yeah.
Oh no.
Why do we have so
Watch out,
many?
Winnie, what's that?
Wait, what do I do now?
Extra protein, guys. It's fine.
What there? Extra protein.
Yeah. You know, birds have like the high.
Oh my god.
You cheesing it up.
No, I think it's not safe to eat this.
That's why.
It's inside the vegetable.
Yeah, soon. Sorry, that looks so.
It looks so good. What the hell?
Oh, it's a big.
Dinner. Half of the team is here. We're going to grocery shopping. Little. Why is she judging?
No.
Lovely friends made me chicken stuffing sandwich.
Yeah.
Yo, it's so good. This is mine. I'm making more stuffings. And say hi to the birthday girl. Happy 20! Welcome to the 20 club, bro.
Oh,
You're no longer young.
I'm no longer teen.
Yeah.
No more teen.
Yo. Oh my god, I love this table. Such a cute setup. We're currently in some fancy ass hotel. I'm waiting for my parents. Oh my gosh. This is my parents. Oh my goodness. Soup spoon. Wow, the garlic bread is really good.
So yeah,
And the birthday girl.
I do feel like
How do you feel being 20?
it's still.
Sad.
I mean,
Why?
When it turned 12, I started crying because
Oh yeah.
my age doesn't start with 1 anymore.
Right?
But it's okay, new decade.
Yeah.
And I'm still young.
Intimate moments in between.
Duh. Excuse me. But I opened the door to wish her and she was crying already. Yeah, I was like, what a bun. Hope you enjoy. Happy birthday, Winnie!
Despite me having my little.
Oh!
Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray!
Wait. Oh wait, yeah. Basically, we did something. And
Wait, when did you ask my parents to do
Oh my
this?
god, back volume, back.
Wait, how did you get my parents to do this?
Questions after. Questions after.
Is that a sword in the case?
Questions after. Questions after. Wait. Yo.
Birthday, Winnie. Sorry I couldn't make it. It's your birthday, but I'm here today with my six, so I hope this still counts. I honestly feel so lucky. Not only because it made it easier, okay, but also I got to meet your lovely boyfriend, and we also intentionally let more people see your camera in the
Wow, now my video is gonna seem crazy.
But hey, have a good one. And see you last time you see this video, but many more good memories and experiences together, and as well as sharing your boyfriend, buddy.
Why is it
No. Always spend 20 more years of our lives together.
20 more only.
Yeah, just we've already been 20.
Wow, what a fucking video.
Oh, I will.
yay! Surprise, well done.
You just know she transferred.
Thanks, guys.
Sorry.
Thanks, guys. Amazing.
Yeah.
Love you. Yay.
Có tiếng không? Electric lamp. Yeah.
Waited all year for this. If you know, you know. Pumpkin spice chocolate.
We just visited the Freshers Fair and she got some boba, grape tea
with jelly
balls. Yeah. She said it's very sweet, but it's not bad though. And we're going to AMBS because we have a pure mental meeting. Bye.
What the dog doing?
This is a tree. We're going to Winnie's party. Yes. He was doing his soju last year, so this time it's wine. Yay.
Oh, he's so professional. Oh.
Okay, that's mine, that's mine. Can you take a picture of
Wait. I'll try this. Thanks. You can put your point of view.
Henry.
fudging tasty, bro?
Yes.
No swearing on this channel.
Have you edited the videos before?
No.
Are you going to?
Yeah, I think so. I feel like when I'm in Manchester, I'm more productive. Yeah. Jacob brought some stuff for us.
Okay, first for Winnie. Winnie's birthday gift.
Made my day.
It's Korean. It says Winnie.
Oh!
And then next one, I got 7 different designs. So let's do the random wheels.
Wow.
Wow, he had that shit ready, bro.
So cute.
Henry first.
It's a Korean socks.
Oh.
Like, first of all, bulldog.
Oh my god.
Socks, right? This is soju Jinro.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
Claudia.
Claudia.
Oh.
I was kidding. Like this.
Oh, on your place, in your room.
Wait, actually, I don't know what this is.
Right.
It's too big.
Do you know what it is, Nico?
No? Usually mashed potato is
I was hearing noise and I was tripping, bro. I was wondering what the fuck are you guys?